So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, always make God the center of your life. Many students of mine have cracked the ZScaler in the past. Like in 2025, my student Sidakpreet Singh has cracked the ZScaler intern plus PPO 35 lakhs. And in 2024, one of my student cracked ZScaler 35 LPA, and one more student of mine cracked 35 LPA ZScaler offer. And there are multiple more students, okay? So obviously, I know what you should be studying for the Zscaler online assessment and interview, so you end up cracking it. Okay. If you want Amazon online assessment 2025 roadmap, guys, check this link. This document is very important. It is available in the description of the video, guys. Please go through it. Okay. Now, how do you crack online assessment of any company? Specifically, companies like Zscaler, D Shaw, Intuit, Amazon, Google, where the package is high. How will you crack it? This is the way. When the stakes are high, you have to do this. And the stakes are always high these days. Many students are giving Zscaler away. Let me write here Zscaler, not Agoda. Agoda video was already made. So many students are giving Zscaler online assessment in 2025. Stay away from, guys, the influencer DSA sheets, as they only consists of easy standard DSA questions. You end up doing 200 to 500 easy standard questions on LeetCode GFG by following Love Bubble sheet, Striver sheet, and when the online assessment comes on your on campus, off campus, you start crying. Because in online assessments, they ask you hard story based, hard unseen DSA questions, which you have not seen before. So you need actual logical thinking and problem solving skills for that. And that can only be developed if you have done the training and practice of many hard unseen DSA plus OA plus CP questions. So you want to start everything for free? Start doing my free prerequisite course from here with acqr.in. From start to end, it will help you a lot. Once you have done this, you will understand whatever I am teaching you on this channel for OA and CP and for top tech company interviews. Okay. Now this was the problem which was asked. Yeah, and guys, if you want one-to-one mentoring plus daily life training plus Fangam job referral support, you can check out the November cohort. Okay, like the discount offer is there till the November 9, I think, as per the input given by manager or manager's input. Now, listen, guys. This question was asked, okay, in Zscaler online assessment. It's the previous question, okay. So, like, the questions I discuss on this channel are either the recently asked OA questions or the previous year asked OA questions. So, how will you solve it? You are given an array of positive integers, ARR of size n. Your task is to find the minimum length of an increasing subsequence that, after removing this subsequence from the array, the remaining elements are all unique. Such a difficult problem. You will not find this question in any of the DSA sheets, nor will you find the exact same question in LeetCode GFG. Now, all you have is your own brain. So what will you do? What will you do? Okay. So let's try to go through some example. 1 2 1 3 1 4 5 2 4. So guys, I hope you know the meaning of prerequisite course, and guys, like the meaning of increasing subsequence, and guys, please know that you need to complete some prerequisites before watching this video. You need to complete this hashing course from start till at least session number 20 to understand whatever I am teaching now. Okay. So let me write it as a prerequisite. Okay. Understand hashing plus prefix suffix concept properly. Now, guys, listen to me very carefully. So let's go through a quick example. The example is 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay. Okay. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay. So 1 2 1 3 1 4. 1 2 1 3 1 4. So guys, let's go through this very important example. 1 2 1 3 1 4 5 2 4. Okay. So guys, what subset of elements can you remove here from left to right? You have to remove the elements from left to right. That is called as a subset. So what subset of elements can you remove from left to right so that this final array only has distinct elements, unique elements? So the answer is, I'm marking by red color. You will remove this one, you will remove this one and this one. You will then remove this two, then you will remove this four. Okay? Okay, not this, like this one. You will remove this two and you will remove this four. Okay? So if you remove these, what subset are you removing? 1 1 2 4. So you are removing 1 1 2 4. Okay, you need to remember that. You need to remove 1 1 2 4. Okay, clear? You need to remove 1 1 2 4. Now 1 1 2 4 is a valid subset. It is increasing in nature. See, all the numbers are increasing or the same. 1, then 2, then 4. If you remove this increasing subset, the final array you get is 2 3 1 4 5. The final array has all distinct elements. So guys, I hopefully you understood the problem, that given a very nice array to you, you have to remove a increasing subset. You have to remove increasing subset of elements from it. लेफ्ट से राइट आप कुछ एलिमेंट्स निकालो जो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है, so that the final array which you get needs not to be increasing. It just needs to have non-repeating elements. See, 2 coming one time, 3 coming one time, 1 coming one time, 4 coming one time, 5 coming one time. I hope you guys got it, baby. Ram Ram. Now listen up, guys. These basic thing are these basic things are clear to you. Now listen up. How will you approach it? Nothing is coming in your mind, right? How to approach it? Now, if you have done my greedy course on YouTube channel has 50-hour videos, and my greedy course in my paid course has like 150-hour videos. If you have done either of them, or especially this one, you can immediately get the intuition on what to do here. Okay, so listen up, guys. Listen up. Listen up. One observation which is very very easy. What is the first observation? First observation. You will somehow have to remove C minus 1 occurrences. C minus 1 occurrences of each number in the original array, where C is nothing but frequency of a number in the given array. So what I'm trying to say is that if this array is given to you, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 3 1 4 5 to 4. So in a hash map, if you store the things, what will be the frequency? Like if I make a hash map here, 1 is coming 3 times, 2 is coming 1 time, 3 is coming 1 time, 4 is coming 2 time, 5 is coming 1 time. In the end, you want everyone coming just for 1 time. So it is common sense that what is the frequency of 1? 3. So 2 occurrences of 1 needs to be removed. What is the frequency of 2? 1. So you need to remove 0 occurrence of 2. What is the frequency of 3? 1. You need to remove 0 occurrence of 3. What is the frequency of 4? 2. You need to remove 2 minus 1, 1 frequency. 5 frequency is what? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So guys, basically I hope you got it. You need to store in the hash map how many number is coming for how many times. If you know that 1 is coming for 3 times, it means you need to remove 2 occurrences of 1. 1 is coming for 3 times, right? So 2 occurrences of 1 should be removed. But from where they should be removed is the question. That is where the greedy intuition and logic is going to help you. The two ones, should you remove from here? Or should you remove this one or this one? Or should you remove this one or this one? That is the question. But one thing is for sure, that for each number you get the frequencies. See, 1 is coming 3 times, 2 is coming 1 time, 3 is coming 2 times, 5 is coming 1 time. In the end, you want everyone coming just for 1 time. and you need to remove c minus 1 numbers. Okay, so it means size of the which conveys size of the final subsequence is fixed. Hence, no need to worry about the minimum size. Hence, no need to worry about the minimum size. What is the third observation? Size of the final subsequence is fixed. It is the sum of c minus 1 over all the frequencies of all the numbers, right? That's it. It is nothing but sum of c minus 1 for the frequencies of the numbers in the array. Uh, Ram Ram. Guys, now listen up very, very carefully to me. Now I know what I have to do. But from where will I remove? The trick is very simple. 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 3 1 4 5 to 4. 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 3 1 4, 1 to 1. The logic will click now. You guys wanted the logic to click, right? 1 to 1, 3 1 4, 5 to 4. Now guys, listen to me very, very carefully. You know that you have to remove the two occurrences of one. What will be the algorithm? Algorithm will be like this. Remove c minus 1 occurrences of 1. And then what you will remove? Then you will remove c minus 1 occurrences of 2. Why? You need to have the increasing subsequence now. First you will remove 1, then you will remove 2, then you will remove 3, and like that. Because whatever subsequence you are removing from left to right, it needs to have increasing numbers. Okay, equal numbers, increasing numbers. It's called as increasing subsequence. Okay, so first you have to remove ones. How many ones you have to remove? Two ones. So guys, should I remove these two ones, or should I remove this one, or should I remove this one? The greedy logic says remove the first two occurrences of one. Why should you remove the first two occurrences of one? If you remove the first two occurrences of one, let's say you remove like this, you remove this and you remove this, guys, that means that now the other numbers which you will remove, see guys, first step was what? Remove two occurrences of one. So if you remove one from here and one from here, the second step will be what? We have to, when do we know that the greedy is optimal? When it is locally currently optimal and optimal for the grand future globally also. In the next time you will have to remove some two, right? There are two twos, you will have to remove a single occurrence of two. So if you remove this one and this one, then you have to remove a single occurrence of 2 from here. One time 2 you have to remove from this blue part. But guys, if you don't go ahead with the first two occurrences of 1, let's say you become a little greedy and you say, sir, for the first step of the algorithm where I have to remove the first two occurrences of 1, I will go with this one and I will go with this one. What does this do? If you have selected this element in your subset and this element in your subset, now when you have to remove 2, you will have to remove it from this range. This range. And this range is small in size. That's the problem. अगर तुम ये वन को निकालोगे और ये वन को निकालोगे तो बेटा क्या होगा? तुमने पहले वन को निकाल दिया और तुमने पांचवें वन को निकाल दिया. अब क्या होगा? So you have removed the first one and you have removed the fifth one. Now what is going to happen? Let's think about it as much as we can. So first one is removed and this one is removed. Now from this much part you need to remove 2. You cannot remove 2 from here. If you remove 2 from here, your subset will become what? Which you are removing? 1, 2, 1. 1 to 1 is not a valid subset. Subset needs to be increasing. First two ones will come, then two will come. First two ones will come, then two will come. So once you have removed the two ones, you can remove two only in the remaining range. In the remaining range. In the remaining range, you have to remove a single occurrence of two. Yes, you can do that. But guys, it would be better if there was larger space. If you remove this one and this one, only this much space is left to remove a single two. What if the question demanded to remove much more twos? Then you would be screwed up. Okay. Like I can show it to you. And even if I don't show it to you, you are understanding that you can do it. When you only remove these two ones, what happens is that now two ones have been removed. Now you want to remove a single occurrence of two. Two coming one time. So 2 you will remove from where? From this much part. And this part is bigger in nature. Because it is bigger in nature, there is higher probability that you will find one occurrence of 2 in this bigger part. As you increase the size of the array, guys, of the suffix, there are more chances that there might be a 2 in this part. अपना टेस्ट केस लकी है, ये वाले पार्ट में भी 2 आ रहा है और ये छोटे वाले पार्ट में भी 2 आ रहा है. बड़ा बात को समझिए, जरूरी नहीं है कि इस दुनिया में हर चीज की गारंटी हो गाइस. ओके, सो देयर इज नो गारंटी ऑफ एनीथिंग, राइट? सो व्हेन यू गिव मोर space here, the probability is high, and because the probability is high, guys, because the probability is high, there are chances you will find a single occurrence of 2 and you will be able to remove from here. So guys, that's it. That's the algorithm. What you will do? Remove two occurrences of 1. So from this much part, you remove this one and you remove this one. Now, in this remaining part, remove a single occurrence of 2. There is only this 2, right? So you have removed this 2. So guys, you have processed the subset till here. Now you cannot remove anything which is coming in this part. Because you removed 1, 1, 2. You cannot go back from left to right. Now you have to remove a number bigger than 2. So only this much part is remaining. 3 is coming what? 1 time. So you have to remove 3 0 times. Then 4. 4 is coming 2 times in the array. But from this much part, you need to remove 4 for the 1 time. So you remove this. Now nothing is left. In this, you have to remove 5 for the 0th time. Like the 5 is 0 time because 5 is already there 1 time. And the problem is solved, guys. I hope you understood the logic. What will be the brute force solution is very simple. Brute force solution, like no need to do brute force, by the way. Brute force you don't need to do. What you can directly do is you maintain a sorted numbers list. Okay, you should know that first 1 is coming, then 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, in a sorted hash map you just need to maintain the frequency of each number. So let's say it is saying 1 is coming 3 times. So what you will do for this? 3 minus 1, 2. So start traveling from I equal to 0 and remove the first two occurrences. Mark the first two occurrences of 1. So I start from I equal to 0 here. I mark the first occurrence of 1. Then I come here. I mark this second occurrence of 1. And guys, that's it. So I know that I have traveled from I equal to 0 till I equal to 2. Now for 2, what I will do? 2 is coming for 2 times in the array. It means I need to remove 2 minus 1. One time I need to remove 2. So I have already traveled from 0 to 2. So now I will start from I equal to 3. I will now start from I equal to 3 and I will keep on going ahead until I can find one occurrence of 2. I found it here. I mark it. I found it at 4, 5, 6, 7 and I equal to 7. Done. So at till I equal to 7 I have traveled and this is satisfied. This is satisfied. Now I go to 3. What is the occurrence of 3? 1. So I need 3 for 1 minus 1, 0 times. So you can ignore 0 time. 4. I have traveled till I equal to 7. Huh? I have noted down this variable. I equal to 7 तक travel हो चुका है. Now 4 is coming. 4 is coming for 2 times in the array. It means I need 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Just writing 2 minus 1 2 times. Okay. Basically, I need to remove 4 for 1 time. So I will start traveling from I equal to 8. 1 pointer ahead. I equal to 8 and I will go till the end till I find 1 time 4. I found it. I deleted it. Now I is 9. The array is over. So now I cannot do anything. But luckily 5 is only coming for 1 time. 5 is only coming for 1 time. So you only need to remove 5 for the 0 time. So guys, when you are traveling this algorithm, if everything is getting removed properly, then yes, you can find the increasing subset. Increasing subset means there is a sequence of numbers which are either the same or increasing. A of I should be less than equal to A of I plus 1 for all I from 1 to n minus 1. If you're considering 1 based indexing, and 0 to n minus 2 if you're considering 0 based indexing. If this is getting satisfied, you get the set. But guys, sometime it can happen that these conditions are not getting satisfied. For example, let's say this is the range which you have to travel and you want 5 times 3. But 5 times 3 is not there. Then you have to print minus 1. That's saying not possible. Because guys, be careful. In the question it was given that you might have to print minus 1 as well. Okay. So hopefully guys you liked it. Okay. Time complexity, like you can do it in O of n or O of n log n. Okay. But maintaining the sorted numbers is easy, right? If you use sorted map, and you can do in O of n also if you use hash map. In hash map, you need to be very careful. Like, numbers are from 1 to 10 raised to 9. So it can get really, really complicated for you to do in hash map. So let's not make it complicated. Let's keep it as, n log n only. Just put the things in the map and be happy. So hope you guys will enjoyed this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Guys, in each and every breath, you always have to take the name of God. Like this. Ram Ram. Do this Vidhi procedure for 15 to 25 minutes daily and see where you reach in your life. You have to reach Moksha and Amarlok in this life. That's the most important goal. Don't forget God. Make God the center of your life. That's why I write Ram Ram at the start of every session. It's very, very powerful for me as well as you. Ram Ram. Whoever is watching this video will become successful in their lives and will follow the right path.